Hi friends, myself Dikinari, working as a assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Today we will discuss about the basic concept in industrial chemistry. First video in this topic we will study introduction of industrial chemistry, some basic definitions, solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, supersaturated solutions, then the basicity, acidicity, and some normality, molality, and examples study previous video. In this video, next terms, basic terms related to solutions we study in this video. In this slide, study about molarity already studied, but in mixed solution, molarity of mixed solution, a mixture of different solution of same or different substance or solute like acid base salts has the molarity has given by the relation, that is m1 v1 plus m2 v2 plus m3 v3 dot dot number of is equal to mm vm. Here m1 m2 are the molarities of different component of the mixtures, and v1 v2 v3 are the volumes in the mixture. mm and vm are the molarity and volume of resultant mixture. Therefore vm is equal to v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus dot dot number of volume of the solutions. Similarly, related to normality, we can determine the normality of the mixed solution as similar n1 v1 plus n2 v2 plus n3 v3 plus number of the normal solution and volume of this solution is equal to nm into vm. Vm is equal to number of volume of solution v1 plus v2 plus v3, the number of nm and vm are the normality and volume of the resultant of mixtures. From example of these comparatively mixed solution, compare the molarity of a solution obtained by mixing 10 ml m upon 5 means 0.2 SCl and 30 ml 0.1, that is m upon 10 SCl. Solution m1 means 0.2 m upon 5, that is 1 upon 5.2 molar solution. Its volume is 10 ml. v1 is equal to 10. m2 is m upon 10 equal to 0.1. v2 is equal to 30, that is volume of the solution is mixed. vm is equal to v1 plus v2, then gives the 10 plus 30 is gives 40 ml, that is calculation of mm by mixture of molarity of mixture solution. Calculate m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to mm vm 0.2 into 10 plus 0.1 into 30 is equal to m into 40. Then 2 plus 3, that is calculation of these 2 plus 10 into 2 0.22 and 30 into 0.1, that is 3 is equal to vm into 40 of vm. Then mm is equal to 5 upon 40, then the molarity of the mixed solution is 0.125 molar, hence molarity of resultant mixture is 0.125 molarities. Then second similar example, molarity, mixed molarity component. Compare the molarity of mixture containing 40 ml v1 ml 0.05 m1 molar SCl, 50 ml again v2 0.1, that is m2 H2SO4 and 10 ml 0.1 molar HNO3. As similar, the m1 0.05 molar volume is given. Phi1 is 40, m2 0.1, Phi2 is 50, m3 is equal to 0.1 and Phi3 is equal to 10. That is Pm is equal to Phi1 plus Phi2 plus Phi3. That is the mixture of these combined gives a Pm is equal to 100 ml. Then the given formula m1 Phi1 plus m2 Phi2 plus m3 Phi3 is equal to mm into Pm. That is the combination of these solutions volume plus molarity of solution to gives 2 plus 5 plus 1 and is equal to mm is calculate into 100. Total volume of Pm is 100 ml. Then the mm is equal to 8 upon 100, then equal to 0.0 molar mixed solution of molarity of all these solution. Hence molarity of resultant mixture is 0.08 molar. In similar example, 25 ml of DC normal means 0.1 normal solution of HCl exactly neutralized 20 ml of base containing 4.8 gram per liter of the base. Find normality and equivalent weight of the base. Solution N1 is equal to 0.1, Phi1 is equal to 25 dm cube, Phi2 is equal to 20 and N2. Then calculate. N1 Phi1 is equal to N2 Phi2. Before its calculation, N1 is equal to N2 Phi2 upon Phi1 is equal to 0.1 into 20 upon 25 is equal to 0.125 normal solution. Normality is equal to 0.125 normal and strength is 4.8 gram per ml. Equivalent to weight of base, normality of solution is 0.125 and equivalent to weight of base is equal to strength of base divided by normality of base. Normality of base is 0.125 and strength is given 4.8. Therefore 38.4 is the equivalent weight of the given base. Next terms, mole fraction. Its symbol is X. The ratio of number of moles of the substance to the total number of moles of all the substance present in the solution. For binary solution, if Na is number of mole of component for particular A and the Nb is number of mole of component B, then the mole fraction of A is equal to therefore number of mole of the substance for A, that is Na, divided by number of mole all the substance present in the solution, that is Na plus Nb. Similar, mole fraction of B, Xb is equal to substance B for Nb and the number of solution in mixture is Na plus Nb. Therefore molecular weight divided by number of mole is calculated is equal to M divided by W, that is molecular weight divided by weight of substance. Further, the sum of the mole fraction of solute and solvent is Xa plus Xb, that is this combination of this solution as the mixture of the solution, then Na upon Na plus Nb plus Nb upon Na plus Nb. Therefore this calculation is Na plus Nb divided by Na plus Nb is equal to 1. Hence sum of mole fraction of all the component of the solution is always unity. These are the important for the MCQ objective questions. For note, First, mole fraction is temperature independent quantity, and second, mole fraction is unitless. Mole fraction is there is no unit for the mole fraction. If W is weight and M is the molecular weight of substance, then substance of moles, that is N, will be given. Number of mole is equal to weight of the substance divided by molecular weight of the substance, that is W divided by M. For example, in solution containing 4 moles of the alcohol and 6 mole of the water, 4 mole of alcohol is given by a mole fraction of alcohol 4 divided by the mixture of the solution 4 plus 6 is equal to 4 upon 10 is equal to 0.4 mole fraction of the alcohol, and mole fraction of water is 6 divided by 4 plus 6, therefore 6 upon 10 is equal to 0.6, that is the mole fraction of the water. Example, a solution containing 25% water, 25% ethyl alcohol and 50% acetic acid by mass. Calculate mole fraction of each component in the solutions. Solution mole fraction of component A, that is Na upon Na plus Nb, that is for mole number of mole calculation formula is N is equal to M upon W. Molecular weight of H2O is 28 for first, that is Na is equal to number of mole calculation is 25 divided by 18, molecular weight divided by weight of the substance, that is water, that is 1.38 this mole of for the water. Molecular weight of ethyl alcohol is equal to 46, that is Nb, that is 25 divided by 46, 0.54 is the number of mole for ethyl alcohol. Molecular weight of acetic acid is 60, that is the 50 divided by 60, then the mole number of mole in acetic acid is 0.83. From calculation of next slide is similar to calculation of XA for water is equal to Na upon Na plus Nb plus Nc is equal to 1.38 number of moles for component is water, then 1.38 plus 0.54 plus 0.83 is equal to 5018, there is no unit. Similar as ethyl alcohol, given answer is 0.1963, and similar to acetic acid, a similar calculation to answer of these mole fraction of is 0.3018. Calculate mole fraction of HCl in solution of hydrochloric acid in water containing 36% weight percent. Solution containing 36 gram HCl and solution containing water is 46 gram of water. Molecular weight of HCl is 36.5, then mole fraction is 0.99. Molecular weight of water is 18, then the mole fraction is 3.55. As similar to calculate the mole fraction of HCl is 0.218 and mole fraction of water is the 0.781. Then the next term, weight fraction, the ratio of weight of the substance to the total weight of all the substance present in the solution. In previous mole fraction, total weight of the mole and divided by total moles of the substance in the solution. As similar, the ratio of weight of the substance to the total weight of all the substance present in the solution. For binary solution, if weight of component A and the WB weight of the component B, weight fraction of A is equal to WA upon WA plus WB, similar to weight fraction for B, WB upon WA plus WB. Or weight fraction of solute is equal to weight of solute divided by weight of solute plus solvents, and weight fraction of solvent is equal to weight of solvent divided by weight of solute plus solvents. Next term, percentage of solution. Percentage of solution is nothing but part of solute present in the 100 parts of the solution. It is also designated as percentage composition of solution. It described in different form as percentage composition by weight W upon W, percentage composition by volume V1 upon V2, percentage composition by weight and volume, that is W upon V. These are the expressed by depends on the volume and weight. Percentage composition by weight W upon W, the weight of solute in gram dissolved in solvent to form 100 grams of solution is called percentage composition by weight percentage. Percentage composition by weight is equal to weight of solute divided by total weight of solution into 100. Percentage composition by weight is equal to weight of solute upon weight of solute plus weight of solvents into 100. Example, 10% glucose in water means 10 gram of glucose dissolved in 100 gram of water in 100 gram solution. In this example, 10% glucose solution prepared, then 10 gram of glucose given, and then this dissolved in 100 ml or 100 gram of water, resulting in 100 gram solutions, 10% solution. Next example, 40 gram solute is dissolved in 1000 gram of solvent. Calculate the weight percentage of solute. Solution, percentage composition by weight, weight of solute divided by total weight of solution into 100. Next formula is weight percentage is equal to weight of solute divided by weight of solute into weight of solvent into 100. Weight percentage is given 40 into 100 divided by 40 plus 1000. Therefore, 4000 divided by 140. Therefore, the weight percentage of solute is 3.85%. Percentage composition by volume V upon V. The volume of the solute per 100 parts by the volume of the solution is known as volume percentage. Similar, percentage composition by volume is equal to volume of solute divided by total volume of solution into 100. Example, 10% ethanol in water means 10 ml of ethanol is dissolved in water such that total volume of solution is 100 ml. Note for the previous three terms, percentage weight, percentage volume and percentage weight volume or weight and volume. First note, volume is temperature depends quantity, hence percentage of volume changes with temperatures. Second, total volume of solution is not equal to volume of the solute plus volume of the solvents, because particle may occupy empty space, that is voids, present in the structure of liquids. Third, percentage by volume unit is used when both the component, that is solute and solvent, are the liquids. Percentage composition by weight and volume W upon V. The mass of solute dissolved in 100 ml of this solution is known as mass by volume percentage. Formula, percentage composition by weight and volume is equal to weight upon solute divided by total volume of solution into 100. This unit is commonly used in medicine and pharmacy. Next terms part per million, part per billion and part per trillion solution. When solute is present in trace quantities, it is convenient to express concentration in ppm, ppb and ppt. First terms is part per million, ppm. It is defined as parts per million is equal to weight of substance divided by total weight of solution into 10 raised to 6. Part per billion, it is defined as part per billion is equal to weight of substance divided by total weight of solution into 10 raised to 9. A similar third part per trillion, ppt, it is defined as parts per trillion is equal to weight of substance divided by total weight of solution into 10 raised to 12. Example, a solution contains 0.08 gram of the substance in 1 kg of solution. What will be its concentration in ppm? Solution weight of substance is equal to 0.08 gram. Weight of solution is equal to 1000 gram. That is 1 kg. Parts per million is equal to weight of substance divided by total weight of the solution into 10 raised to 6. That is ppm 0.08 divided by 1000 total weight of the solution, that is 1 kg, that is 100,000 gram into 10 raised to 6 is equal to 0.008 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to 8 ppm. A solution of glucose is 24 ppm. If weight of solution is 100 gram, what is the amount of glucose in the solution? Solution weight of solution is equal to 100 gram, that is weight of substance. For calculation, part per million is equal to weight of substance divided by total weight of solution into 10 raised to 6, that is 24 is equal to weight of substance divided by 100 into 10 raised to 6. Weight of substance is equal to 24 into 100 divided by 10 raised to 6. That is the weight of substance is 0.0024 grams. Next example, 25 cm cube of the caustic soda of unknown strength were found by titration to neutralize 24 cm cube of the 0.1 normal SL solution. Find the normality of caustic soda, that is NaOH, and strength in the kg per dm cube solution. N1 is equal to 0.1, Ph1 is equal to 24, Ph2 is equal to 25 and N2 is given to calculate. N1 Ph1 is equal to N2 Ph2, that is N1 is equal to N2 Ph2 upon Ph1 is equal to 0.1 into 24 divided by 25. Therefore 0.096 is normal solution. Normality of solution is 0.096 normal strength to be calculated kgdm. Equivalent weight is equal to strength divided by normality. Strength is equal to normality into equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of substance is equal to molecular weight of substance divided by acidity of the base. Equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to molecular weight of NaOH and acidity of NaOH. That is molecular weight of NaOH is 40 and acidity, that is OH is 1, that is neutralized in hydroxide ion in solution, that is 40 upon 1 is equal to 40. Strength is equal to normality into equivalent weight, that is normality 0.096 into 40 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 3.84 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg per dm cube. These are the example to solve this, student. Next example, a solution is prepared by mixing 46 gram alcohol ethyl alcohol and 18 gram water. Calculate mole fraction of each component in the solution. Mole fraction, the formula, molecular number of mole calculated formula, molecular weight, mole fraction of the water is 1, mole fraction of the ethyl alcohol is 1, that is the mixing mole fraction of mixed solution is 0.5, and for mixed solution for particular component ethyl alcohol is 0.5 mole fraction. Next example, 46 gram ethyl alcohol is dissolved in 1000 gram of water, give a solution of specific gravity 0.992. Find the molarity of solution and mole fraction of the water and ethyl alcohol. Weight of the substance is 46 gram, molecular weight of the substance is 46 gram, y and m. Then calculates. Volume of solution, mass upon solution is the density is equal to mass of solute plus solvent divided by density. Volume of solution is equal to 46 into 1000 divided by density, that is 1046 divided by 0.992. Then gives the 1054 ml, that is 1.0554 dm cube is the mole fraction, molarity and mole fraction of the water, mole fraction. Molarity, m is equal to weight upon substance divided by molecular weight of substance into 1 upon volume of the solution, that is ws divided by ms into 1 upon ydm cube is equal to 46 divided by 46 into 1 upon 1.0554 is equal to 0.95 molarity. Similar, next example as similar to calculate the molarity and molality of NaCl. Then the molality of the solution is 0.8547 molality, and similar molarity is a 0.07713 mole. Next example, what is the normality of solution of NaCl containing 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg of it dissolved in 2 dm cube of the water. Ws given in kg, then converted into gram, and ym solution of volume is 2 dm cube. Then this formula, substitute this value of equivalent weight of NaOH is given to calculate is equivalent weight is 40. Then this put the weight of substance 10, equivalent weight 40 into 1 upon 2 is normality of the solution is 0.125 normality of the NaOH. Thank you for listening and watching.